everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E detalhado sobre o vídeo do Starboard, curar niveles e outras funções.
3% लोगों ने ही मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara
皆
mengatur
さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Discord and Xbox have collaborated and are giving away 3 months Nitro. I know this is exciting. I will explain all about it. But before that, only 4.2% of you have subscribed to my channel, even though you know that my channel is the only one that gives you safest and easiest way to get free Nitro. Make sure to subscribe now since we need to reach 12,700 subscribers soon. Alright, back to the topic. Today, I received news in regard to 3 months Nitro. When you click the promotions hyperlink, it redirects you to the official website. This will be linked in the video's description so you can read it at your time. But just to save your time, I will explain everything. As you know, Discord and Xbox are collaborating. It tells you right from the start about the requirement of the payment method to claim your Nitro. It also talks about the temporal payment, which means it charges $1 after claiming your Nitro, but that $1 comes back within 5 business days. This 3 months of Discord Nitro is exclusively only for the Xbox Pass members. When you go to their Xbox page, you will see Join Pass Game. Click that. They don't want you to buy $10 and even $15 pass. They want you to buy $30 Ultimate Pass. Once you purchase that, you will be eligible for 3 months Nitro. First of all, this makes no sense to me at least. Because in my country, Discord Nitro costs $10 per month. I know for some countries it's cheaper, like $5 or $4. But still, why would I even purchase that when I can buy it directly from here? Like, purchase it 3 times. But if you plan to go ahead with it or already have Xbox Ultimate, this might be useful to you. This offer is only available in Australia, Austria, Belgium, Brazil, Canada, Chile, Colombia, Czech Republic, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hong Kong, Hungary, India, Ireland, Israel, Italy, Japan, Mexico, Netherlands, New Zealand, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Singapore, Saudi Arabia, Slovakia, South Africa, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Taiwan, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, United States. Now, if you are from the countries where Discord is banned, such as Russia, Iran, Ukraine, Turkey, and many, this service won't be available for you even if you use VPN. Another thing is, you shouldn't have had Discord Nitro for 12 months or more. This doesn't include 3 days Orbs Nitro, Nitro Basic, and Classic. But it includes 2 weeks and 1 month free Nitro trial. If you have claimed one of those, then just give that pass your friend or use it in your alt account. Here are the steps on how to claim 3 free months of Nitro. It will be in the perks section of Xbox after you purchase the Ultimate Pass, or if you have an existing one. So yeah, that is it. I've explained all the important things to you about this offer. Let me know in the comments section on what you think. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.